There's a squadron coming online soon. CO3, a bunch of fools. I'm flying with whoever will have them.
For some reason, the RAF have deemed you fit for purpose.
Just get us up there and we'll finish the job.
Today's a training exercise.
4-5, back in formation now. Baskovich!
Sir, these men are irresponsible, arrogant, and ill-disciplined.
We shut down many Germans.
Hurricanes are getting destroyed as fast as new ones are being delivered.
You English need all the help you can get.
Hostiles gathering over Calais.
Get 303 up now.
He's a danger to himself and the whole squadron.
6 kills and no losses. It's unheard of.
Poles will end up winning us this war if we're not careful.
Every day more of them go up and fewer come back.
We'll be lucky to see the month out of this raid.
They kill our people and we are doing nothing. Every bullet fired out of these guns has to be considered, has to be the right choice. Every maneuver up there has to be the best, the quickest. That way we win, that way we survive.